My name is Osama Saig and I will be presenting the progress that we did in the Financial 220 project. In the beginning, we will talk about an introduction and information about what we benefit from after we finish the course and the project. As we benefit a lot in terms of knowing how the American market flows and knowing the basics matters in terms of how to trade, type of trading, and how to forecast, and also refer to past data to know and estimate risk and etc. Summary, we started with a little capital. We try to achieve a profit rate of 4%, and we try to focus on investing in the companies that has excellent reputation. We try to define our goals. It's to achieve a return of more than 3%, get the most information about the stock market and how it works, and keep the risk at minimum, and understand how the market works. The strategies we have learned is diversity. As we all know, diversity is the distribution of your property and investment, and it's lead to reducing risk and maintaining an investment that save your money. And we try to analyze this and try to research using stock rating and filter rate, and rely the opinions of experts in the field of stock, like we search on the websites and other matters, and we try to make a small investment, choose well-known companies, and try to stock control and consolidation among members. Overall shares achieved a profit of 4%. Try to sell the bad stocks and be more effective to market and use time effectively. We learned to invest aerial. We were conservative. Try to act fast to bad investment, and try to invest in the reputable companies, and we all know it's the best investment to save your money. We did invest in most of the big companies like Microsoft, Netflix, Apple, Uber, and Starbucks. This is the profile summary of our portfolio overview. This is the gain and loss of the companies and the stocks we have invested in, like Netflix, Uber, Apple, and the future Bitcoins and Amazon. The losses was USO, the United States Oil Companies, and DAB and THRX. Now we will present what we achieved this semester and the operation we have done and the reasons for them. This is the transaction history. As we all see, it show up the quantity that we have did, and the price per share, and the commission, and the amount we have paid. We decided to buy 20 shares of Apple company, and we paid 137 per share. Of course, we all know Apple. It's a great company, and we did invest after we study and research and taking advice on social networks, and many others support investing in Apple and consider it an excellent option. As we all know, the risk of the futures contract is high, but also the profit is high. So when you decide invest in a future contract, you must really think and try not to rush, and search, take expert advice, and this is what we did when we invested in a Bitcoin. We did invest in short because we expected to drop the price will drop, and we did invest in the USO, THRX, and DAB. DAB is stock was recommended by an expert to look for a long-term profit, and also in our opinion, DAB has many future projects that will help to rise the value of the stock. And it's offer a pure play exposure to companies leading the digital transformation of the economy through digital assets without geo constraint. And we bought 25 shares of Netflix, and the price was 358 385, based on research and reputation of Netflix, and we expect that there will be a profit in the long run in Netflix, and it's now priced like a value play with a price earning ratio of 18, and it's worth a decent amount. The market capital is 100 billion and remains slightly profitable, and still boasts a good subscriber base. And Amazon, we decided to buy 5 shares at the price of 102.44. Why Amazon? The advertising business is booming, while nearly every digital advertising platform posted weak growth in the third quarter. Amazon advertising revenue jumped by 30%, and it's now number 3 digital advertising after Google and Facebook. This is the portfolio chart. The portfolio value was 515,000, and we did gain a portfolio return of 3.11%. And as you can see, there is diversity in the stocks and the futures we have done. The ranking, we are group 15. The buying power is 1,043,000. And conclusions. As a group, we learned about investing in stock within the financial market. At the same time, we learned how to find the beta on each stocks, and I identify if the stock is safe or risky. As you can see, the buy and hold strategy would have been more effective over a longer period of time, and could have been more aggressive. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.